These homemade laddus can do what your expensive hair care products can't. Welcome to the 0 rupees glow up series, where I share tricks, tips, and recipes for you to glow up like never before at home without spending anything on fancy products. If you take some black sesame seed with a bit of seed mix and some walnuts and dry roast them for a minute or two, then transfer them in a blender with some de-seeded dates and handful of moringa leaves or moringa powder. Add some ghee and make laddus to have one every day. Over time, you'll notice literally zero hair fall and even your premature graying starts to reverse. Do not forget to follow because you just can't miss the next episode of the 0 rupees glow up series.